Now at 5:30, a protest in Pompano Beach. Doctors, nurses, and members of the community chanting "Free them all" and demanding all ICE detainees to be released, citing safety concerns over the coronavirus pandemic. Hello once again, I'm Juwan Strait.
And I'm Jackie Nesbro. Thanks for joining us. NBC6's Amanda Plasencia is live in Pompano Beach. And Amanda, judge also agreed with protesters there?
Yes, Jackie, this is all after a federal judge ordered that ICE release some of their detainees due to concerns over COVID-19. So today, those immigration advocates, they echoed that message with a very own demonstration today. As a caravan drove up and down Powerline Road, the message was clear.
We are here today to demand that ICE release all individuals from detention.
Nurses, doctors, and members of the community gathered on Friday outside of the Broward Transitional Center as demonstrators say the facility does not have enough masks for staff and those being held in these detention centers.
Not giving them disinfectant, mask, gloves, making the detainees at greater exposure of the virus. And they're basically, these detention centers are death traps.
Late Thursday night, a federal judge came down with an order requiring ICE to begin the process of releasing hundreds of people, reducing the detained population to 75% capacity from 3 detention centers in South Florida.
A federal judge in Miami called detention in ICE facilities cruel and unusual punishment that violates people's constitutional rights.
The order stems from a lawsuit by 34 immigrant detainees, and the judge also instructed ICE to make sure detainees wear masks with replacements each week. The healthcare professionals who spoke out Friday claim ICE is putting people at risk in the middle of this pandemic, saying that detainees are more vulnerable to exposure due to various factors.
There can be no safe physical distancing in ICE detention facilities.
We're asking to save the lives of our immigrant members of our community who have been held hostage by ICE at a detention center. We're asking for you to liberate them.
Now, we did reach out to the Department of Homeland Security, and a spokesperson had this statement, which read in part, as there is pending litigation on this subject, we are not able to speak specifically to the lawsuit as ICE does not comment on pending litigation. That said, absence of specific comment should in no way be construed as agreement to anything in a particular lawsuit. Now, the department also went on to say that as of right now, at this moment, there are no confirmed COVID-19 cases at this particular detention center here in Pompano Beach. Now, that's the very latest live in Pompano Beach. Amanda Plasencia, NBC6 News.